Welcome back, guys, and sorry I haven't been uploading a lot, just been busy. But today I'm going to showcase how to access Visual Basic in Excel. I did this for the talent show at our school, which is cool. So open up a notebook, File, Options, and Customize Ribbon. And for you, this box will be disabled. Check it and hit OK. And with your new developer tab, go here and Visual Basic. And you should get one like this. Now another portion of it is how to create an application. So insert UserForm. And you may be like, that ain't it. Well, you're right, because there's a lot more stuff. You can place this fun stuff. I'm gonna move that. Can we move it? See, it's pretty glitchy, but it's pretty cool at the same time. So I'll just put in everything, I guess. Then you can edit stuff here. So like, you can have like, rename this page. Can do advanced. It's like when you highlight over that, I'll say admin only. So we'll run it, and look, you highlight this, you get admin only. If you highlight these, you don't, but here you get admin only. So yeah. Anyways, back to the coding. So, as I say, you can pretty much modify everything about it. So you can have exist. But there. You could set up a little cool little system here. It'd be pretty funny. In Visual Studio, there's a lot more options. I'm just showing off this. Now if you run it, sometimes it will prompt you with a macro. Just type in your custom macro name. Mine will be YouTube. I'll create it. And just run it again. Had to click it. Exist requires these there. You got a few options. Oh yeah. You must exist. Requires restart. Okay. That's just cool, isn't it? Yeah, it also uses a Windows 95 theme, you know, which is cool. And you might be wondering, can you change the bar? Well, yeah, you can. And if you hit the normal form, hit this caption button. And we'll name it YouTube. Sorry, I'm spelling this wrong. YouTube Visual Basic Showcase. Now I didn't show the renaming in the talent show a bit, but whatever. You got this little 7 theme. It looks like level 7. Yeah. I still don't know how to use these darn things, but I don't really care. Enter. Ended. Hey, well, does that work? it doesn't. It didn't. Found it. Found it, Windows. Maybe it's actually broken, but fan just my stupidity. So if I get a bit quieter, I'm just trying to figure out. Ooh, here's one of my favorite ones. Meow. I don't think it just like her. And look, slowly toggling. Evidently. Yeah, then toggle me now. Oh, here's another funny thing. Here's a thing I like, personally. They got a little scroll ball here. And now if you read it, look, now you got this dead scroll bar that doesn't do anything. Even these buttons don't work. It's cool. I kinda like this version of Visual Basic because it gives you these retro themes. Can also make these text boxes. It's pretty cool. Pictures. Whatever this is. Okay, it's a list box. Okay. Can we talk what this is? Aroma. I want to show that font. Marlet. It's a funny Windows font. I'll show you it. Hey, yeah, I got the idea. Look. Yeah, run it. YouTube 2.0. It's, you don't modify it. Well, where's the caption option? I'm trying to find the caption. Or did someone? Oh, text. Well, I guess it's a font. You'll change it to whatever this is. I don't even respect it. Ah, sorry for that. Okay, well, change it back tomorrow. Let's tag. I'll leave that guy alone. We'll stop wasting time. If anyone can figure out how to do that, let me know, please. 'Cause that'd be very handy. Oh my god, that was cool. To be honest, that wasn't what I was expecting. Okay, what's that? Ref edit. What do we do now? So yeah, that's it. That's pretty cool. There's a little calculator bit. That's cool. So yeah, that's it. And bye. Shiny.